what's going on, guys? Hey, it's Tiny Muffin Ryan here, and when God said he's playing around, I don't think he was joking. You wanna look up there? Don't mind the flashing light, even though it's looking down there. Just wait. I'm sure if you guys are you guys saw that? You guys see that? You guys see that? That is not me. I only know how to cut the video. You guys hearing that? It's just a monster outside. You see that? When the CN tower got struck by the lightning, except I don't think it was that way. Oh wow. I don't know what you guys think of. See it done. Listen it. There is no way I'm watching this clip again. That was a thunderstrike, I swear. Oh wow. Okay, that was a what the? Was daytime for a split second there? Or was that just me? There are clouds everywhere. Are you hearing that crap, guys? Yo, if you guys are experiencing this in real life, and if you guys are experiencing this in real life, and if you are worried, don't be worried. Just act like the gods are bowling. Whenever you hear a thunderstorm, just act like they're just bowling in the sky, in the clouds. Whenever a thunder strikes, it's just like, you know what the thunder sounds like. But if it's like a big thunderstorm like this, just like pretend like the garbage truck is up there taking up the garbage, and it's pretty big garbage truck, so it has to go on for long and loud. But you guys don't have to be scared of this, you know. Okay, well, anyway, subscribe if you enjoy, like if you'd enjoy, dislike if you didn't enjoy, leave a comment down below, whatever, and see you on the next one in Tiny Muffin Army.